Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi was born in 1929 in Matsumoto, Japan. She grew up in quite a wealthy family. Her parents owned a seed and plant business where they grew lots of plants and flowers. Yayoi loved to spend her time in the fields, drawing all of the different types of flowers and pumpkins. When Yayoi was about 10 years old, she started to have hallucinations. This means that she began to see things that were not there, or see things differently, like flashes of light, colours, and even shapes. One day, she had the most magical dream that she was standing in a field of flowers. The flowers started talking to her, and they all turned to dots that went on as far as she could see. At first, she was a little bit frightened of them, but then she became inspired by these dreams and started to use polka dots in her artwork. Her parents didn't really approve of her being an artist, and her mum used to take away her drawings. Despite this, she continued to draw throughout her teenage years, and eventually she convinced them to let her go to art school. In 1948, she attended the Kyoto Municipal School of Arts and Crafts. It was a time when art students were not allowed to study or learn about Western culture, so she could only study the traditional Japanese method of Nihongo, which is 1,000 years old. Despite studying this Japanese method of art, she soon realised that her passion was for contemporary art and had a bucket load of her own ideas, which involved polka dots. Yayoi gathered sheets of paper and started painting dots of all colours and sizes. Then she progressed on painting onto floors, walls, objects, and even her assistant. In 1957, she moved to the United States and settled in New York City, where she quickly gained recognition as a prominent figure in the avant-garde scene. Avant-garde is the new and experimental ideas in art, music, and also literature. In 1965, Kusama begins to create her iconic Infinity Mirror Rooms, which is a series of immersive installations that use mirrors and light to create an endless illusion of space. In 1973, Kusama returns to Japan. She enters herself into hospital to help look after her mental health. Her artistic style has heavily been inspired by her own experiences with mental health. She has struggled throughout her life and has used her art as a form of therapy and self-expression. Despite moving back, she continues to live and work on some incredible masterpieces. Throughout her career, Kusama has received many awards and tributes for her work. In 2006, she was awarded the prestigious Premium Imperial Award, and in 2017, she was named one of the Times magazine's 100 most influential people. Her work has been featured across the world, including the Museum of Modern Art in New York, the Tate Modern in London, and the National Museum of Modern Art in Tokyo. Not only this, in 2021, Kusama opened her own museum, the Yayoi Kusama Museum in Tokyo. Her work has inspired countless artists and has helped to push the boundaries of modern art. The Polka Dot Princess continues to work and create in her studio in Tokyo, and her legacy is sure to inspire generations to come. What are you going to do with polka dots today? Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe.